In this video, I will guide you on how to fix your notifications are off on Instagram. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon. From here, tap on the three lines. This will take you to settings and activity. Here, tap on notifications. Now you want to look for notification related to messages. Make sure messages notifications are turned on. Go ahead and select messages here as well. Then tap on for all of this. If Instagram is showing a message saying that your notifications are off, you may also see an option to turn on all notification or choose to receive notifications about messages only. You also want to make sure that notifications are turned on your settings. For that, head over to settings. Now tap on apps. From this list, find Instagram and select that. Now tap on notifications. If you have turned off notification, go ahead and turn that on. If everything is enabled but Instagram still shows the notifications are off, the issue may be caused by a temporary Instagram bug. To fix it, you can head over to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here search for Instagram. Now look for update. If there is an update option, tap on it and update the app. This is going to fix any bugs within the app. You can also uninstall the application and reinstall it from here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.